It all fits, right?
Hold on, I'm trying to see. Yeah, it's turning them.
Okay.
It's a little like slower, but it looks like it's turning them.
You're not tightening that, are you?
No, I'm going left.
Oh. Could have sworn I saw your hand going right. I could have sworn. I saw righty tighty, not
What?
lefty loosey. Let me see the laptop.
Okay, yeah, let me just get the lighting.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow! Wow! Why'd you do that?
It's fine, it's fine.
Are you sure? Are you sure? It's just a mat, right? It sounded like tile floor. Okay. Oh, okay. So you got all the screws out, right?
Appears so, yes.
Cool. Did you get that bottom right, like that middle right one?
Which middle right one?
No, the one that's in the middle of the right. To the right of the factory seal? Is there one over there? Just making sure.
The factory seal to the right?
Yeah. Is there any screw around there?
Yeah, this one. Yep. This one's down.
Jimmy, stop dropping it!
I took.
Yeah, so, okay, you see the bottom left? I need to be able to see.
Yeah.
So that bottom left for that, you're showing me the middle.
Oh, bottom left. Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
bottom, wow. Okay, so bottom left, okay. Okay, listen to my words extremely carefully, all right? Why? Why is so funny?
I'm thinking like, you know, like that SpongeBob episode, we have technology. Smashes it. What was it?
Ignore the blue part. One piece to your right. That piece. That's the piece you're unplugging.
Okay. So how do I do that?
It's like a latch. It's being held in by the white part. So lift the white part up and then pull the orange part out.
Well, that is the orange part on mine. Can you see it?
You're not putting. You know where the camera is on your phone, right? You
Yeah,
know, you're like showing me.
I don't see a white.
You don't see the white line?
Wait, next to the orange brown thing, right?
Yeah, you see the white line on the cable itself? Oh God.
Hold on.
Put your
Let me
finger.
get a-
Put your finger on the
on.
orange. I'm looking. I see it.
Okay, hold on.
Oh
Okay, there's the. You see?
God, you have a knife.
I'm using it as a pointer. Okay, that's the blue,
Right? Go
and
to
that's
the blue.
the brown.
Fuck the, fuck the blue. Fuck the blue, Jimmy. We don't need the blue.
But what white thing though? I'm like,
Okay, go a
Yeah.
little bit up. What color is it?
that's a black thing right there.
It's your right?
The black and the gold.
Okay. What color is it?
I'm on the gold
It's like a
brown
dark.
thing.
It's like a dark gold now, right?
Yeah, it's like dark brown. Yeah.
And if you keep going up millimeters, is that a white line?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Ah!
Okay,
Make sure it's straight. What do you think?
How's it look?
I mean, it looks okay. You think that's the best
Alright.
you could do?
Hmm.
The fuck is that?
What?
I don't know what's in front of me.
Wait, what?
What's in front of me? What is
Oh, sorry.
what is that? It's Optimus Prime! Ah!
It's pretty much clipped back in.
Alright, so just go ahead and like put it on your desk or something and let's boot it up.
It's Optimus Prime.
MSI, I'm so sorry. And this video is brought to you by MSI. Oh.
Hey, it's there.
Wow. Wow, you did it, Jimmy! You did it!
First try.
No!
I mean, yeah, the SSD showed up and it showed like
Yeah.
all the gigabytes.
Yo.
Oh, this many gigabytes.
Dang, you.
Alright.
Wait, click load.
Load.
Yeah. Did you just click?
I was shy to.
Okay, whatever. You got it to work, I guess. It works. It works. It works.
Yeah, it's like dark brown, yeah.
And if you keep going up millimeters, is that a right line?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh my god.
This is so stupid. I never said. Why is he so dumb? Why is he so dumb? Oh.